Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. Today we are doing yet another carbon fiber install on the BMW M2. We just got it washed. It's filthy and covered in pollen 5 minutes after the wash, as you guys hopefully can see, but it's nice and washed. We're ready to go. We got ourselves the hair dryer right here. We're gonna apply some heat to the rear spoiler, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the carbon one. So this is what the GTX style spoiler looks like from RWCarbon. Shout out to the fries, delicious. But yeah, so this is the spoiler that's gonna go in the car. As you can see, there is no adhesive on it right now, so we're gonna go ahead and apply an adhesive pretty soon. But first step is actually blow drying the spoiler that's on the car so we can then safely start removing it. I want to give a massive shout out to RWCarbon for supplying us with all of the carbon fiber that you guys have seen in this video and in future and past videos of the carbon on this car. We already did the front grille, the side markers, we did the mirrors, we vinyl wrapped the roof, so this is going to be the next big step and I'm so excited. Oh, and we also did the diffuser, which looks absolutely bananas. Big shout out to RW once again for that. So we're going to go ahead and just blow dry the crap out of this spoiler, make sure it's really nice and warm. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab the fish line that we got and just go back and forth to remove all the adhesive and peel off this spoiler. Alrighty, so we're done heating the spoiler here. He's gonna go ahead and grab the fish line, just some regular fish line, nothing too fancy here. And we're gonna work from the right side over to the left. And it looks like that is about to be it. Yep, so we went through with the whole fishing line. Now, let's see if this just pops up. Seems like it. Yep, seems like it's just pulling up. Look at that. And actually not that bad. We thought there was going to be a lot more adhesive left here, but it doesn't look horrible, but we have something that'll do the job and get rid of this perfectly. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start working with the 3M adhesive remover. This is like a wheel, an adhesive wheel, and we're just gonna go ahead and hopefully this works like magic. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Gets it off nice and easily. Alright, so we got ourselves a lot already off. Take a look at this. So already tons is coming off. And it's only been about 5 minutes max. We essentially got most of this stuff off. All we're gonna do now is just go ahead and use some of this Goo Gone right here with a microfiber to just get all this little excess stuff off. It's very difficult to see because the sun's shining right on this, so it doesn't want to focus. But as you can see right there, little tiny black spots left over. So we're just gonna go over it with Goo Gone microfiber. Once it's nice and clean, then we can start the actual installation part. All right guys, so we went ahead and applied 3M double-sided adhesive tape to basically every single part of the spoiler here. We also went ahead and just got some masking tape and made sure that we know exactly where we're gonna place it on both sides. Made sure it's 100% even, because once this is on, you don't really get a second chance. You can peel it off and apply new adhesive on, but that's just too much work. So we're gonna one bang this, just go for it, and we're gonna make sure that it's on right the first time. So hopefully this is enough adhesive. Obviously I am a little bit worried that, you know, it may not stick fully and, you know, that it's 100% secured, but we're gonna really firmly press on this to make sure that it does. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have ourselves the carbon fiber spoiler installed on the car. I'll give you guys a little shot from the backhand side. Fitment looks fantastic. We pressed really hard to make sure that this thing does not move, and we're going to continue to press, but it is so aggressive and mean looking. Look at that. on camera, this really this is not doing it justice, guys. It looks amazing in person. With the diffuser from RW as well, check that out. So mean looking. Okay guys, but that is going to do it for the installation of the spoiler. Massive shout out to RW once again. Definitely check out the links in the description and on future videos. We're going to have a lot more stuff from RW coming in the next few days, and this car is going to be completely transformed. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more daily car content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.